In this session, you're going to learn about the media library and how you can use WordPress to upload and edit images. WordPress makes it easy to manage media content for your website. You can upload images, photos, and document files directly into the library, and you can even edit your images. Let's upload a couple of images into the library, but first, make sure you're logged in as an administrator to ensure you will have access to all the administrative panels. Now we'll move our cursor down here to Media and select Add New from the submenu. This will open the Uploader tool. Loading files are made extremely easy in WordPress. We can click the Select Files button and select files in the traditional way, or we could simply drag and drop our files into the upload area. I'm going to use the drag and drop method. With WordPress, we have the capability of uploading more than one file at a time by simply dragging the files into the drop file area. Now we can edit either of these files directly from the uploader by simply clicking on the edit link of the image we wish to edit. This is the Edit Media panel. Here we see our image. Also we see the title of the image, and here on the right side we see some additional information about the image. It includes the URL, the file name, the type of graphic, its file size, and its dimensions. Below the image we see a caption area. Anything typed in here will display under the image when it's displayed. The alternative text will be used if a visitor's browser doesn't support graphics, but more importantly, this text helps us optimize our site for search engines. The description area is for providing a description of the graphic. Whether or not this will be displayed depends on where it's displayed, the template we're using, and or the plugin used to display the graphic. I want to use this graphic for a banner for some content. I need the graphic to be 615 pixels wide, and I need to crop the graphic so it better fits the page. To accomplish this, I need to click on the Edit Image. This opens the editor tools. First, let's crop the image. To accomplish this, I need to place the cursor over the graphic where I want the crop to begin. Then I left click my mouse, hold it, and then drag to the end point of the crop and release. Now I click the cropping tool and save it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's go back to Edit Image, and what I want to do now is I want to resize the image. So I'll click on Scale Image, and you'll note here's the current size of the graphic, and I want it to be 615 pixels, and right now it's 747. So what I'll do is, and the dimensions here are the width and the height. And right now I only care about the width. I want to make sure that the width is 615. So I'll go ahead and key in 615, and you'll notice the height is automatically calculated. And then I'll click Scale. That looks good. Note the other tools. You can rotate left or right, or you can flip the graphic vertically or horizontally. And then you have our undo and redo buttons. This particular graphic's okay as is, but one of the other tools I want to show you is the thumbnail settings. Thumbnails are normally 150 by 150. This thumbnail looks pretty good, and because normally this is a rectangle image, and you'll notice that it crops out the outer panels to make the square. But sometimes you get in trouble when the thumbnails are created for your site. Let me show you how you can change them. So let's go out of here and we go ahead and update. And you'll notice the dimensions now changed. I'm going to go into the library itself, and this will give me a list of graphics that I've loaded. Here's the two I just uploaded, and this is the one. See this thumbnail? It doesn't quite look right, and we can modify that to make it look better. And what we're going to do is go into Edit and edit the image. And what we can do is this. So we can come down here to thumbnail settings, and what we want to do is we only want to change the thumbnail image. So we'll click thumbnail. Now what I'm going to do is take my cursor and I'm going to do a crop, and I'm going to make that our new thumbnail image. Hit crop, save, and now our thumbnail looks a whole lot better. So then I'll go ahead and update, and let's go back to the library, and there's our new thumbnail image. I wanted to show you how to do that. The last thing I want to discuss is the library listing itself. From the media library list, you can select a graphic to edit, you can delete the image, or you can attach the graphic to a post or a page right from this list. Let me explain why this is important. There are some other image functionality that can be added to posts and pages, such as image gallery or slideshow. But this only works if the images are associated with the post or page and it's attached to it. Now, any graphic uploaded from within the post will automatically be associated and attached, but graphics uploaded directly into the media library are not. To attach an image to a post, we simply click the attach link for that graphic, and this will bring up a list of pages and posts that we've already created. Now we'll locate the page or post we want to attach it to, and in this case I want to attach it to the About Us page, and click Select. Now you'll notice that that graphic is now attached to the About Us page, and I attached it today. Well, that's all I have for right now. We will talk about the gallery and the slideshow tools in another video. If you want to learn more about WordPress, be sure to visit us online at www.sawrite.net.